Welcome to Quiz Champ. They say common sense isn't so common anymore. Today, we're putting yours to the ultimate test with 30 questions every adult should know. If you get more than 25 correct, you're in the top 10%. Less than 15? We might need to send you back to school. Let's begin. Which planet in our solar system is known for its prominent rings? Correct answer is Saturn. While other planets have rings, Saturn's are the only ones easily visible from Earth with a basic telescope. How many continents are there on Earth? Seven continents. Though some argue for Eurasia, the global educational standard remains 7 distinct continents. What is the primary gas that humans breathe out? The answer is carbon dioxide. We take in oxygen and exchange it for CO2 to fuel our cells and help plants breathe. Which country famously gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States? It was France. It was a gesture of friendship to celebrate the centennial of the Declaration of Independence. In math, what do you call an angle that is exactly 90 degrees? A right angle. It's the foundation of almost all modern architecture and engineering. Which ocean is the largest on the planet? The Pacific. It covers about 30% of the Earth's surface, more than all the land masses combined. What is the hardest natural substance found on Earth? Correct answer is diamond. Its carbon atoms are arranged in a crystal structure that makes it nearly indestructible. Who was the first person to step on the moon? It was Neil Armstrong. In 1969, he famously called it a giant leap for mankind. What is the capital city of Australia? The capital is Canberra. Most people guess Sydney, but Canberra was a compromise city built between Sydney and Melbourne. How many colors are in a standard rainbow? There are 7. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, commonly remembered as Roy G. Biv. What is the most widely spoken language in the world? Correct answer is English. Including non-native speakers, English leads, though Mandarin Chinese has the most native speakers. Which organ in the human body consumes the most energy? The brain. Despite being only 2% of your weight, it uses about 20% of your body's total daily calories. How many days are in a leap year? "366 days. That extra day, February 29th, keeps our calendar in sync with the Earth's orbit around the Sun. Which chemical element has the symbol Au? It is gold. It comes from the Latin word aurum, which means shining dawn. What is the largest mammal currently living? The blue whale. They can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh as much as 30 elephants. What is the only fruit that has its seeds on the outside? Strawberry. Each seed is actually a tiny individual fruit called an achene. How many time zones does Russia have? 11. Russia is so massive that when it's breakfast on one side, it's dinner time on the other. What is the most common blood type in humans? O positive. About 37% of the population is O+, making it the most frequent type found in donors. Which country has the most natural lakes in the world? Canada contains about 60% of all the lakes on Earth, over 879,000 of them. What does HTTP stand for in a website address? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It's essentially the standard language that allows your browser to talk to a website server. In what year did the Titanic sink? (1912). It was on its maiden voyage from Southampton to New York City when it struck an iceberg. Which artist painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. He was a Renaissance man who was also an inventor, scientist, and engineer. What is the largest desert in the world? Antarctica. A desert is defined by low rainfall, making Antarctica the largest cold desert on Earth. Which chemical element has the symbol Fe? Iron. It comes from the Latin word ferrum, which is why iron-based metals are called ferrous. How many hearts does an octopus have? Three. Two pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. What is the smallest country in the world by land area? Vatican City. It's an independent city-state of only 0.19 square miles, located entirely inside Rome, Italy. Which planet is the hottest in our solar system? Venus. Even though Mercury is closer to the Sun, Venus's thick atmosphere traps heat like a greenhouse. What is the rarest blood type in humans? AB negative. Only about 1% of the global population has this extremely rare blood group. Who is known as the father of modern physics? Albert Einstein. His theory of relativity changed how we understand space, time, and gravity. Which sea has no coastlines at all? The Sargasso Sea. It is located in the North Atlantic and is defined by 4 ocean currents rather than land. So, how did you handle this quiz? If you scored 25 or higher, consider yourself a certified quiz champ. If not, well, there's always next week. Don't forget to comment your score below. I'll be hearting the best ones. Make sure you're subscribed with notifications on, because our next challenge is going to be even tougher. I'll see you in the next round.